In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Meet virtual background using the Change Background feature update. If you're looking to add a bit of flair or professionalism to your video calls, Google Meet offers a simple way to do that with its built-in background change feature. Let's dive right into it. First, this feature works seamlessly on a computer through a web browser. So go ahead and join or start your Google Meet meeting. If you haven't already joined a meeting, don't fret. Google has made it straightforward to adjust your settings before you actually enter the call. In the pre-join screen, you'll find the effects button, which is represented by a magic wand icon. It's located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Clicking this icon opens up a world of possibilities for your meeting backgrounds. Now, if you find yourself already in a meeting, don't worry, there's still a way to add or change your background. Simply locate the three dots in the bottom right corner of the meeting screen. These dots represent the More Options menu. Clicking there, you'll find an option that says Apply Visual Effects. This is your go-to place inside a live call for adjusting what's behind you. Once you're in the effects settings, it's time to get creative. You can select a background that speaks to the theme of your meeting or your personal style. If you're aiming for a subtle augmentation, consider blurring your background. Google offers two levels of blur, a slight blur for a soft focus effect, and a full blur for when you want full privacy. If blur isn't quite what you're after, you can always opt for one of Google's preloaded backgrounds. These might include scenic landscapes, simple colours, or more playful settings, perfect for maintaining a fresh and engaging meeting atmosphere. Feeling creative? Upload a custom background image from your computer. The process is simple. Click on the Upload a Background Image option and select the image you'd love to showcase. This feature is excellent for brand-centric meetings, themed gatherings, or just personal flair. Once you've picked a background, whether it's a blur, a preloaded image, or a custom upload, the new background will be applied automatically. This means you can seamlessly transition into your meeting with new surroundings, no hassle required. There's a lot of potential here to make your online meetings a bit more vibrant or professional depending on your needs. By using Google Meet's intuitive background feature, you can easily control and alter your virtual appearance, ensuring that what's behind you matches the message you want to convey. Enjoy exploring the features and happy meeting.